Hi traders, thanks for stopping by thetradinganalyst.com. This is Taylor and we're going to go over a bunch of charts here and I'm going to give you my analysis and thoughts and potentially give you some trade ideas to help you profit in the market. But first, if you're not already a member, go ahead and visit the home page here, www.thetradinganalyst.com, and you can see all of the member benefits like the text alerts, email alerts, daily watch lists, daily member videos, and educational material from yours truly. You can also scroll down to the bottom of the website. You can see all of the member benefits in a little more detail here so you can get a better understanding of what you're going to get as a member. You can see our testimonials, and then you can also scroll down here to the very bottom here and you can choose whichever member benefit fits your personality best. It's a great opportunity and we'd love to have you. Alright, so let's get into these charts here. First, I want to cover Boeing, and Boeing here we have a very well defined downtrend line. So we've got this, touches right here, 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 we've got a touch right here, touch here, touch here, and then as you can see, today was the first day that we broke over that downtrend line. So a pretty significant move was made today by Boeing. We've still got quite a bit of resistance in our way between 135, let me zoom in here a little bit, 135 and 137 right here, but definitely a start to looking more bullish here. So first start is that break over the downtrend line. Next, to really convince me that we're going to be able to break out here would be a close over about 137. So if we get a close above 137, I'm definitely going to be thinking that we can be heading higher here on Boeing. Next, I want to be looking at Priceline. Priceline is coming up to some pretty key resistance here at about 1372. We just recently got rejected at it right here. You can see that we had a false breakout over here. This was Brexit that happened right here. You can see that it was level right here. We got rejected a couple times right here, and then right here, again right here, and then you can see right here it was the open of this gap down candle right here. So definitely a key level that we have for Priceline that's coming up. Definitely looks like we can get a bounce here. We've got what looks to be somewhat like a morning star formation. We've got a gap down and then a gap up right here, so morning star. So it looks like we can head higher and at least retest this resistance level right here. Below us, we've got support at about 1300 right here, from the low of this candle, the close of this candle, and then the lows of these candles right there. So that's a pretty big level right there, and it's also a nice round number as well. So anytime you can get that an actual resistance or support level matching up with a nice round number like 1300 or 1200 or 1400, you know, that's a psychological level for traders who may or may not even be looking at a chart. Next, I want to cover Alibaba, and Alibaba made what looks like a pretty significant move today. We've got we've got volume a little bit above average volume today. We've got a bullish engulfing candle right here, and we closed over this resistance that we haven't been able to close over. So you can see we got rejected right here. You can see we got rejected right here. And what I like about this especially is that we've got a lot of touches over here. So definitely looks like Baba is heading higher. You know, I know it's faked out some people several times. I know it faked me out over here, and then we got some news, I forget what, some lawsuit that they're in. Doesn't matter to me. I'm a technical trader. Price is the only thing that matters to me. But I did get faked out for this level right here, and did end up losing on some longer term calls that I had on that trade. So with that in mind, BABA could be subject of some other news, but we're going to play the chart, and so far this is a nice breakout here. We did break out over this 82 level. We closed over it with volume, so it looks really nice. Next resistance we've got is right around here, right around $86 from the high right here. You can see that got rejected, and then all these highs of these candles right here around that 86 level. Again, with this candle right here getting rejected, so definitely a key level here that we're coming up here. But we're making strides. 82, breaking over that. Next is 86, so that's a $4 move. But we'll readjust and see how it reacts to this 86 level, and then we can move forward from there. Next chart I want to cover is Disney. And Disney right here, I'm going to zoom in, and you can see that we've got a pretty well-defined resistance just below 101. You can see the lows over here was support, and then we broke below it. It became resistance. Again, over here you can see the rejections at that level again right here, and then again the last 5 or so days have gotten rejected at this level. So if we can break over this level, over 101, we're going to come up here and we're going to tag this 102.50 level from the resistance, the open of this candle, and then the high of this candle right here. If we break over that level, we're going to come up here and fill this gap right around 106.50 right here from the close of this candle right here. So that's the next resistance. On the downside, we've got support right here at about 98.50. So 98.50 is support for Disney. Next, I want to cover Palo Alto Networks, PANW. A couple things that I'm seeing here, and I'm going to cover each line. I don't want you to get confused. Okay, so the first line we're going to be covering is this downtrend line right here. So we started over here. We've got several touches already up here. We've got a touch right here, a touch right here, a touch right here, and it ends up right here as the top line right there. Okay? We've also got and I'm going to zoom in here a little bit so you can see it as best as possible. We've got a down channel right here. So here's the top of the channel, hitting that line, hitting those candles right here, and then here's the lower end of that channel right here. You can see that we bounced right here, 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 almost right there, and then again these couple times right here. So we've got support from this lower channel, and it looks like it just wants to keep trading in between this until it doesn't. So what we can look for is a potential break out of this down channel, and that could see a pretty big move to the upside. But until then, we got to trade this channel. Most likely going to get rejected again near 130 to about 135 from that downtrend line that I pointed out, as well as the down channel that I pointed out as well. Alright guys, that's it for the analysis and my thoughts. Again, if you're not already a member, go ahead and visit the home page, and you can sign up today and start receiving alerts and videos and educational materials and much more immediately. It's a great opportunity. We'd love to have you. See you next time.